Make the impossible possible.
不可能を可能にする。
The first person in this world to do a $1 million launch, in 2008, was like the 4-minute mile story by Roger Bannister. In Oxford, England, a 25-year-old medical student Roger Bannister cracked track and field's most notorious barrier, the 4-minute mile. Bannister, who was running for the Amateur Athletic Association against his alma mater, Oxford University, won the mile race with a time of 3 minutes and 59.4 seconds. For years, so many athletes tried and failed to run a mile in less than 4 minutes that people made it out to be a physical impossibility. The world record for a mile was 4 minutes and 1.3 seconds. Despite, or perhaps because of, the psychological mystique surrounding the 4-minute barrier, several runners in the early 1950s dedicated themselves to being the first to cross into the 3-minute zone. For years and years, humans tried to run a mile in less than 4 minutes. It felt impossible to run a mile in less than 4 minutes, and people kept trying to do it fast. At some point, some doctors said, "You know, it's physically impossible for humans to move fast enough over a distance of a mile in less than 4 minutes." One day, Roger Bannister broke it. He broke the 4-minute mile, which was an amazing accomplishment. He used a very sophisticated strategy to do it. After decades of people trying, Roger Bannister did it. Within the next 4 years, 20 runners would run a mile in less than 4 minutes. So, no one could do it for all of human history, then one person did it. In the next 4 years, all of a sudden, 20 other people would do it because they saw that it could be done. Roger Bannister made the impossible possible and others followed. This is how a world of possibility comes to be. We all live in this state of possibility. Jeff Walker, who is a sideway sales letter inventor, met a man named John Reese, who is an internet marketing pioneer and was actively marketing online before the World Wide Web was even available. John had a product he wanted to bring out. Jeff taught John his product launch formula using sideway sales letter secrets. John is fantastic at internet marketing, so he immediately saw what to do with these techniques. John's launch made $1 million in 24 hours. That was the first time in this world when physical training courses were sold online, and made $1 million in 24 hours.